This is temporary orders and an extended TRO. Council, what is the announcement?
Your Honor, we've come to an agreement, Your Honor.
Yes, that's correct, Judge.
And one of the things that we wanted to tell the court, that we would like to consolidate the child support case, was originally filed, it was actually in this court. It's under 2018 FLI 34C3.
Any objection? I guess this is your agreement. Confirm that agreement, Mr. Chu?
Yes, that's correct, Judge. We have no objection to consolidating the child support case into this case.
Any objection by the Attorney General's office, Mr. Gonzalez?
No, Your Honor.
All right, the consolidation is hereby granted then, and you're right, there's no need to transfer because it's in the same court. The consolidation order is due to the court honor before.
July 27th by submission.
All right, just file it before, I'll sign it before. Announcement as to these temporary orders and extend TRO.
Yes, Your Honor, we have agreed that it be a joint management conservatorship with the primary as to Ms. Paredes. And in terms of possession and access, since Mr. Edgar Martinez has a different type of work schedule, we will be asking that Mr. Edgar Martinez be allowed to have the children every weekend on the following the third Wednesday, starting from this Wednesday. So it will be on the third Wednesday. I know that it's sort of confusing, but it's so it's the weekend on the third Wednesday, starting starting tomorrow on July 1st. And that's where the work schedule shows that he saw that whole week. So in theory, the way it would apply is that it will be the third Wednesday will be July 15, and so he will have possession of the children on the weekend of the weekend of that week, which is starting Friday, the 17th, and then 18th, and then returning the children on Sunday, July 19th, and it will be like that every weekend on the third week. Obviously, if there's an agreement among the parties, then it can be different. Absent an agreement of the parties. And then also, in terms of regarding possession as well, that he be allowed to meet with the children during daytime hours, reasonable hours, when he's off at the home. Which can you please give the address of the home?
3716 Bay Street.
Okay, as to that residence, it has to do in connection with that is that Ms. Paredes is asking that she have access, that she have exclusive use and possession of the house, and for that to take effect after July 20th. And so that he'll be allowed to go to the home, so that he'll be able to get his belongings and so forth. And I give I don't know, basically for that to take effect after the 20th of July. After that day, then Ms. Paredes will have exclusive use and possession of the home. And so that he'll be able to go on July 15th during those days. And thereafter will be just simply to go to the home to see the children and visit with the children if it's working among the parties, in addition to having the possession of the children. In terms of child support, Your Honor, we'll be asking that the court allow that the child support be suspended. And so therefore, the child support that is occurring right now under that case that has been consolidated, that it be suspended. And that will be an agreement among the parties in exchange that Mr. Martinez be paying the mortgage and also utilities. And to clarify, utilities will be the light, the water bill, and internet, services.
That's good.
Um. Other than. And so besides that, in terms of the child support possession access, that will be. Taken care of. In terms of the properties, and. He has, exclusive use and possession of his house, of his vehicle. And Ms. Paredes will have exclusive use and possession of the vehicle that is in her possession. Any other expenses will be as to their responsibilities. And in addition to that will be, I guess I'm not, I think that will be covering all the other things. I don't know, Mr. Chu, whether you have any other issues that you would like to address?
Just to be clear, Judge, visits on the house, that's gonna be about 2 hours. If he wants to spend the whole weekend, then he can take the children to his parents' house. He just needs to give my client notice.
Mr. Chu,
About,
so that the agreement is binding and enforceable, how much notice do you believe would be reasonable and necessary?
About 24 hours notice, Judge.
Any objection to 24-hour notice?
No, that will be fine, and that's the understanding that Mr. Martinez will be taking the children on the weekends. To his parents' house, basically not the Vela residence where Ms. Paredes is residing now.
All right.
He's fully aware of that.
Mr. Paredes, excuse me, Ms. Paredes, Mr. Martinez, would you both raise your right hands? Do each of you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you will give in this cause will be the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Both have answered yes. You may lower your hands. Let me start with you, Ms. Paredes, because you're the petitioner. Is your true and correct name Janelle Monique Paredes?
Correct.
One more time, you're joining us by video conference, as is your lawyer, Ms. Paredes. Did you hear and understand the agreement that was told to the court by the lawyers?
Yes.
Is that your agreement with Mr. Martinez?
Yes.
Is that your full agreement?
Yes.
Was anything left out?
No.
Is there anything you want to change?
No.
Do you believe that this agreement is in the best interest of your children?
Yes.
Same questions to you, Mr. Martinez. Is your true and correct name Edgar Martinez?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Martinez, you're joining us live in person. The person to your right is your lawyer. Mr. Martinez, did you hear and understand the agreement that was told to the court by the lawyers?
Yes, sir.
Is that your agreement with Ms. Paredes?
Correct.
Is that your full agreement?
That's right.
Was anything left out?
No, sir.
Is there anything you want to change?
No, sir.
Do you believe that this agreement is in the best interest of your children?
Yes, sir.
And the court hereby adopts and approves your agreement, find that it is in
Your-
fact in their best.
Your Honor, Your Honor,
Uh,
the OIG.
Mr.
apologize.
Gonzalez, I apologize. Go ahead.
I was just gonna ask the parties if, regarding medical support or health insurance, Your Honor, what do they have? In the previous order, medical insurance was $150 through the government program. That is a 2018 order. I'm not sure if the parties are carrying their whole own insurance right now, or if we're gonna continue carrying it through the government program.
Mr. Garcia
Good.
Davalos, Mr. Chu, who has the answer?
If we can keep it the same, Judge, with the government program, and then Mr. Martinez reimburse.
All right.
I'll see if I can do it through my job and head that route.
Yes, and my understanding is that's correct, that is basically reimbursing $150, but my understanding is Martinez may have, through his employment,
Okay.
medical insurance, so he may, upon giving notice to the AGs and the parties, if that is something that is available, if you'll go ahead and proceed with that.
I think that would be good and in your children's best interest. So ordered. These are only temporary orders because we're coming back for a final hearing on September the 1st at 2 p.m. But these temporary orders are due to the court on or before.
July 29th.
All right. So as soon as they come in, I will sign off on them. Anything else on this case, Mr. Garcia Davalos?
Yes, Your Honor, I completely, Mr. Chu and I discussed also having to do with the home. We agreed that the home be placed on sale after giving Ms. Paredes around 2 months for her to be able to refinance and put it on her refinance and put on her name. But if she's not able to, then the parties will agree to put the home on sale for after the 2-month window period.
Is that the agreement, Mr. Chu?
That is correct, Judge.
Well, 2 months puts you a few days right before your final hearing. So if there's any issues, just come back and present whatever information you need to so the court can grant the appropriate relief. Well taken. All right. Mr. Martinez, do you have any questions for the court?
No, sir.
Ms. Paredes, do you have any questions?
No, sir.
Anything else from any lawyer?
We rest, Judge. Thank you.
Your Honor, orders due was July 27th. My mistake.
So ordered July 27th at noon by submission. Ms. Paredes, Mr. Martinez, keep in contact with your lawyers. I wish you well.
Thank you.
Mr. Chu, Mr. Garcia Davalos, Mr. Gonzalez, good to see you all. Have a great day.
Thank you, Judge. Bye-bye.